Recently, Xiaomi launched new wireless power bank that supports up to 10 fast charging and in wireless mode. And in wireless charging mode, to fully charge, it can charge iPhone in 2.5 hours. This power bank is certified Q wireless standard and it can be intelligent compatible with different mobile phone. Xiaomi power bank has two charging interfaces, USB-A and USB-C. It can support 3 devices to charge at the same time. Now I am unboxing the power bank. In the box, here is a power bank and one data cable with Type-C cable and a user guide which is fully Chinese and you cannot read it. Now this is quite heavy. Here's the power bank. In one side there's a logo and mi.com here. On the back side there's the key compatible wireless charging pad. In the back side I can see all is Chinese, but there is a logo of key compatible power bank, 10,000 mAh battery, and it supports 10 watt max wireless charger. And in seat port it can deliver 5 volt in 3 ampere, 9 volt and 2 ampere max, and 12 volt in 1.5 ampere max. Other side there is a C port and USB A port, and here's a button which indicate the power bank has how much battery life. And now there's a one light is which means a 25% battery health. Now I am try it in wireless charge. Yes, it's charged wirelessly, and there is show the fast charging wirelessly 70%, about 55 minutes needs to fully charge. And yes, it's charged fast wireless charge, so it's up to max 10 watt charging support. It can also charge iPhone wirelessly. Then I can use it in 3 devices at the same time to charge. First I charge one device at a up to 18 watt. Yes, fast charging. Here show the fast charging. It delivered up to 18 watt, and same as USB-C port, it up to delivered 18 watt. Now I am trying to charge 3 devices at the same time. I need to first one, second one, and the third one. Yes, one device, two device, 3 device. That's all are charged in wirelessly. One wireless charge, one USB charge, one USB 2 charge. Sure. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and give like. Thank you.